Everyone is looking for extra ways of making extra money, right? If you're one of those, this video is going to be for you. I'm going to be sharing with you some side hustles that you can start, whether you're looking to just supplement your income or hoping that one day that side hustle can bring enough cash for you to quit your full-time job, to go all in and become a full-time gig for yourself. So these 9 side hustles I'm going to be sharing for you are capable to be able to do that for you, to bring you some extra income every month on the side to supplement your current income that you have right now, or to become a full-time gig for yourself and bring you enough money for you to live off from. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rodo Dube, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So if that's something that you're looking for, make sure you do me a favor and like this video, and go ahead and subscribe and turn on that notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build and market your online business. So the first side hustle I'm going to be talking about is to sell printable PDFs on Etsy. So if you're crafty, if you're able to create a PDF, which is quite valuable for somebody, it could be a little worksheet or a small planner or whatever, right? Something that you have been using and you feel like it's really valuable that other people can benefit as well. You can easily sell that on Etsy and be able to make that extra money. So it's very easy. People just go on Etsy, they download that PDF, and you get your money when they buy that PDF that you share on there. And these PDFs don't have to be something complicated. You can create simple PDFs on Canva. If you're not quite familiar about Canva, you can go to this video and show you how to use Canva, and you can learn about that. And if you are not into that graphic designing thing yourself, you can always outsource it. Find someone to create it for yourself on places like Fiverr, where there you can find a lot of people who are there to provide their services of graphic designing and all that. So speaking of Fiverr, this is going to be a platform where freelancers go on there. So that's going to be the side hustle too. So if you are that graphic designer who can help this person who wanted that PDF to be designed right, this can be a side hustle for yourself that you can start. So you can go on Fiverr and be a freelancer to sell your own services on there. So whether you're a graphic designer, whether you're a video editor or a writer, or any kind of freelancer you think of, right? Whatever you want to do, even photography, there is so much that you can do on Fiverr, where you can help others who are looking for people to provide the services for themselves because they're not able to do that. I know a lot of us entrepreneurs use Fiverr for everything, whether it's our content creation, whether it's our ad creative creation, whether it's the copy for that copywriting for those ads, or website designing, everything. Most of us, we go on to Fiverr for that. So you have a market for you to have people buying your services that you can actually help other people and make extra income on the side on Fiverr. And it's only just Fiverr that you can go on as a freelancer. There is Upwork, there's a freelancer website as well that you can actually go over there, provide your services that you'd like to provide, that you're qualified for, you have skills for, and you feel like you can really monetize that and get an extra income as a side hustle doing that. So that's side hustle to become a freelancer. So side hustle number 3 is to become a virtual assistant. So if you have a skills of how to help other people manage their businesses, whether it's fulfilling orders on the side online, whether it's getting organized, whether it's doing the customer services, if you're able to do that, you can do that online and provide those services for other people, especially entrepreneurs. We're always looking for people to help us out in our business, right? Because when we start off, we're a one-man show, we do everything, but at some point it becomes too overwhelming to do that. So that's why we source out and have other people help us out in our businesses, right? So virtual assistants are really, really good. And you're not tied to a location. That's hence the virtual part, right? So you can be working from Brazil, helping someone who is in Canada. You can be working from England, from China, from the Philippines, wherever you are. You can provide services, virtual assistant services, to anyone in any part of the world. So you're not limited in the location. So this is a really good side hustle for you to start if you're able to do that, to provide those services for other people, or for like especially entrepreneurs. So you're going to go into that niche, right? You'll be able to make a good income on the side as a side hustle. So if you're already into that administrative kind of way, you can turn your skills that you've already been using over the years into becoming a virtual assistant and helping other people with their businesses online and make income from that. Another side hustle you can do is to do social media marketing for other people, right? So there are lots of people who struggle when it comes to marketing their own businesses online. So they find it so overwhelming doing Facebook ads or Instagram ads or doing Google ads. You then go and approach entrepreneurs and offer your services to say, hey, I can do your social media marketing for yourself to bring you more leads, more sales every day, and actually do provide them that good services, right? So if you're really knowledgeable in that, you can provide the services as a side hustle and be able to make extra income on the side, helping other people, and you're making money, right? So that's a good mix. And this is something that you can actually learn, right? You can learn how to do those marketing on Facebook and master it. Choose one channel to start off with and really master it, and then look for people who are looking for that services, who need help, right? To get that marketing done for them, right? And then you offer that product, that services to those people, right? To say, hey, I can do your marketing for the month. This is how much I charge, and you're able to make your monthly income from that as a side hustle. So in the same line of helping other people marketing their business, there's also affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, which is going to be our side hustle number 5, this is where you go out there to places like ClickBank, where you find products and services that have been posted there, where people are looking for people to help them market those products and services. So you then choose the niche that you're interested in and choose the product that you want to market, and that product has to be something with a more good profit, so that you can make money from that, right? So those companies, they put these products or services there they want to be marketed for, and then they'll say, okay, I'll give you this cut if you're able to bring a sale, right? So whatever you bring a sale, you get a cut from that. So the advantage of that is that you don't have to come up with a product, you don't have to come up with the services. You are just driving traffic for this company to this product or services, and then get a cut from the sale that you make from pushing that traffic or pushing those leads to that company, right? So it's really good to side hustle, because you don't have to stress about getting all this inventory or creating anything. You just have to market it and get people to buy or sign up for whatever it is, and then you get the cut from that sale that they get from that company. So it's a very powerful side hustle if you're dedicated to it and you choose the niche that you're not gonna get bored of and that you're knowledgeable about and interested in. You can easily make that as a side hustle that actually makes you more money in your business. So check out ClickBank and see what kind of products that's available, and then you choose from what you want there and start marketing that and learn how to market the products and services. But they provide you with everything that you need in terms of having like landing pages, your follow-up emails, and all the stuff that you need to market this product and make it so much easier for you to do the marketing for that product. So you just have to learn how to do the affiliate marketing, and there's so many other places. So it's not just ClickBank, right? There's so many other places where you can go to find products to market, right? So it can be easily, even places like Amazon, you can be an affiliate for Amazon, drive people to your Amazon to buy those products, right? Even at the website, Best Buy, anything, Walmart, even other softwares that you're using. If you're into entrepreneurship, right, you probably know about ClickFunnels. They have all these affiliate programs in those things, right? Even Katra has an affiliate program in that. Even Shopify has an affiliate program tied to that. You just have to sign up, promote those products, and then when people sign up, you get a cut from that. That's how you do affiliate marketing. So that's our side hustle number 5. So side hustle number 6. The 6th side hustle that you can do is if you are someone of an influence, if you have like a good big social media followers and all the stuff, you've got a big page on Instagram, you've got lots of followers on TikTok or YouTube, you can become an influencer and monetize that page for yourselves. Then you can get brand deals from other big brands asking you to promote their products to your followers, to your fans, right? So this can be really powerful side hustle you can do on the side if you already have that big following. So don't lose on this, don't sleep on this. If you have a following and not monetizing it, this can be a little good side hustle for yourself. And lots of entrepreneurs as well out there who are setting up, who are looking for people to help them promote their products, right? So you can become an influencer marketing those products for them to your audience and hopes that they get some sales, right? So you have to look into it. If you already have that, start doing that, start getting approaching businesses or brands to market their products for them, right? So there's a way of doing it that way it doesn't become like, yeah, they're looting your whole audience, right? Yeah, pushing too much products to them. You have to stagger it, so you have to do it in a stylish way which doesn't make it look so okay. You're losing the purpose of the page, right? So look into it, consider it. That will be a really good, powerful side hustle to start, to be an influencer and monetize the following that you have already and that page that you have. So side hustle number 7 is to sell online courses. So with online courses, you can easily create an online courses based on your knowledge and skills that you have, right? Something that is valuable so that someone can benefit from. You can then just package that, create your online course, sell that to those people who going to benefit from those products or services or whatever skills that you're teaching in that online course. And you can easily post it on Udemy and actually make money from that. And there's lots of other places where you can sell your online courses and make money from that. So it's an easy side hustle that you can start. So if you have that knowledge, if you have those skills, don't just sit on that knowledge, share it with others and make a side income from helping other people with that knowledge or skills that you have packaged in that online course. So it's a really powerful side hustle that you can actually make so much money from that if done properly. So that's another side hustle that you can consider and look into. Then side hustle number 8 is to do Amazon FBA. So for Amazon FBA, this is where you source products. You start looking to say, okay, what products can you sell, right? It has to be something that you're passionate about, that is in more demand, but there is less supply of that product. So you just have to do that research to say, okay, what are people selling? What are people wanting, right? And then you go now and source those products, whether you're sourcing them from China or any other place that you can source that product cheaply. Then you can then sell it on Amazon for a margin, right? To make sure that you make some money from that. So that's an easy way, because the advantage of that, Amazon has already that traffic, right, which comes to Amazon. They have people already go to Amazon to buy stuff, right? So they market that product for you. You don't do any marketing. And then with FBA, they actually fulfill your products for you. So you send them off to Amazon, then Amazon, when someone buys that product, they package it up, ship it to that person for you. You don't have to do anything in terms of fulfilling any orders, right? So that's a very advantageous for using Amazon FBA to sell your products that you found that to be in demand but in short supply, right? That you actually have a chance of making money with that. So that's a very fun side hustle that you can start, and then it can actually become a full-time gig if you find that winning product that's bringing you more money on Amazon. So that was our side hustle number 8 that you can check out and start doing today. Then side hustle number 9, my favorite side hustle number 9, is to start an e-commerce business, right? So with an e-commerce business, so this is where you sell your own products online, right? So you can build your own store on Shopify. You have different ways of doing this, right? And then you want to do it as a drop shipping, or you want to be the one with the products and start your own brand, right? So that can easily be started as a side hustle. So all you have to do is to pick a niche that you're interested in, find a product that solves a problem and that's in a demand that people are willing to buy and pay for it, right? And then you build your store on Shopify or any other platform that you'd like, but I'm biased, I like Shopify. So build it on Shopify. So you build your website on Shopify, you get all your product pictures done, you set up your Shopify store, and then you start driving traffic to that. Whether you're doing Facebook ads, you're doing Instagram ads, YouTube, TikTok ads, or even doing influencer marketing. So if you're an influencer, I said it, that's another side hustle. Then you can use those influencers to promote your products for you, right? So you have to do the most work to drive traffic, but this can be really quite a profitable side hustle if done well, right? It becomes a really good side hustle that you can turn into a big business down the line and actually make more money from it. So this is a very powerful, that's why I said this is my favorite, because it can start as a side hustle and actually grow to be and become a big thing that becomes a big brand or big business that you can actually, if you want, sell it down the line for lots of money, right? Or you can keep it and keep on getting more income coming from that business, right? So consider that, look into how to start an e-com business for yourself so that you have something that you can sell on the side and make money from that. And it's fun. I think it's fun. So those are the 9 side hustles that you can easily start and start making that little side hustle income on the side, right? And down the line, you can always make this into all big full-time gig for yourself. So I hope you found this useful. Let me know which one of these side hustles that I mentioned that's your favorite that you're going to consider or you're already doing. Let us know in the comments. What are your thoughts? What have you been doing or tried already or gonna try in the future? So I hope you have found this video useful and you like it. Make sure you share with others that might find this video useful as well. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the business that you love. And I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.